Hello, welcome YouTubers. I want you to be here when I unpack this. As you know, if you watch my other video about my Husqvarna 141, I got the engine all tuned up, and but unfortunately with it running so well, it was pumping the oil so well, but I found out that the tank was deformed, had a split in the joint, and it was just pumping the oil out of that down the front of my jacket. So instead of looking around, I looked on eBay and what they were asking for second hand ones, and you don't know if you're going to have the same trouble. I went away and purchased this. I purchased this myself out of my own pocket. I don't get sponsored for it. So looking at the reviews and the company I bought it from, which was Hayes Machinery, asked for their advice and for around here for what I'm doing. The one I picked is the Husqvarna 445, and James, the owner of Hayes, he recommended it for being a good logger. So thank you very much, James, and thanks to Hayes Machinery for the quick organising getting it. I got it the other day, just had a chance to get it all. Just got a chance now to come and get it all built up. I got it delivered the other day, but my workshop's been in a bit of a mess. We're working on with the old ride-on mower, which is that's another video. So what I'm going to do is, this is the Husqvarna 445. Now I had the 15-inch bar in the other one, but I went a bit further this time and I got an 18-inch, because some of the timber I've got to cut is rather big. So I hope this beast will sort it out, which I think it will. But unfortunately I can't do a test drive today as I'm out of petrol. I thought I had petrol in, but I haven't. So I'm going to have to pop down sometime and get some petrol. So anyway, chainsaw, Husqvarna 445. I tell you what, first of all, without the bar on, it's reasonably light. It is, for the size of it, bulkiness of it, it's reasonably light. And this one, you've got a primer on them. It's a flick start. And these are the new type where you turn it with that. Saves a lot of time. But no, I'm quite happy with the weight wise. You get your bar, you get your chainsaw, your bar, your chain, and your cover, and instructions. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So the reason is, I looked around and Hayes Machinery was having a sale, and this was one of them on sale. And I thought to myself, well, can't beat the price. And I did check with other sites, and I was quite astonished. Right now, that's it. You don't touch that. That's excellent. Yep. I'm going to have to read the instructions, do you know that? Simple. This is, yeah, so just get me knife. You may have to go off for a few minutes if I can't get this out. I'll have to switch you off, I think. I'll be back in a minute to see if I can get this knot out. Okay, I've got the knots out. Okay. That's it. Yep. And this one has only got the one bolt, which is good. That wasn't quite in line, so I'm going to have to look at it. That's it, it's in line there now. It wasn't in the back there. Yep, yeah, that's all in. That's all in. Just want to make sure I had it right. I didn't want to damage it just a lot. Tighten it up. Bit tight, loosen it off just a touch. Yeah. Because you've got to remember, when you do tighten this up, it does re-tighten. It does tighten up. Okay. Lovely doubly. So, that is the Husqvarna 445 built up, ready. So what I can do is, this is your oil. This is oil. What I do, I take it out. Don't need to, but it does fill up. Chainsaw oil. Never ever use old waste oil. My light stopped working. Yeah, oh, them tops are a lot better. So that's chain oil in. I'm going to put the guard on to protect it. Are we required to get some petrol? But I'm happy with that. Much appreciate to Hayes Machinery for the quick turnaround, for putting the order in and getting it delivered. 4 days in total, I think it was. Very nice. And by the weight of it, I'm happy with that. I know it's going to get dirty, but no, I'm happy with that. It's got about sparks arrestor in it. What I'll do is I'll do a preview of cutting when I get some fuel. But I thought I'd just put you this one out, read it out. I'll take. I'm going to take this into the house, the instructions. Just have a quick look. I think it's a 50 to 1. think the fuel mix is 50-1. Yeah. I'm going to keep a note of the chain as well. Get some spare chain. But no, thank you very much. Here's machinery for the quick response. Pleased about that. I've got it now. I've got it made up ready. Like I say, I'll get some fuel and we'll have a go at cutting it. And we'll do a demonstration of using this and also using the wood chipper. So my tools, take that at the house. It goes back up there. What else has been happening? You'll see it on the other video I'm doing for the old garden ride-on mower. I took the deck off it. I've stripped all the parts off the deck, which is in that container. Deck's scrapped now, so I can get back on with it. And that's about it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and don't forget, you know, click the little like button, subscribe button, and the little bell for all notifications, because I'm going to start doing a few more little videos like this. And hello friends, again, forgot to mention a mail call. I've got some stickers. First of all, this is a replacement of his other one, but I much appreciate it to Scotty Daniels for sending me one out. Now, he's telling everybody, wait a minute, can you see me? Now, Scotty's letting me know is there's a number on the back of your sticker, and it's going to be put in for the prize draw. So remember your number, it's on the corner, on the back of your sticker. But if you're not subscribed, pop over to Scotty Daniels' channel. It's a shocking experience because he loves demonstrating how to not electrocute yourself on a spark plug. But Scotty, thank you very much. Now this one I've got a little note with, and who it's from is Freedom Mowers. Nice channel, very good channel. And he put a little note in, hey Taylor, I hope all is well your way and things are prosperous. I can't read that bit. In this new year. Thank you very much for reaching out and helping support my small channel. Cheers and enjoy the stickers. Freedom Mowers. Thank you very much, Freedom Mowers. I like to support as many people as I can in that channel, because looking back for what everybody's done to help me out is, I'm really appreciated for that. Just a thank you. Hello, anything, you know, reply back, it is spot on. But everybody pop over, have a look at have a look at his channel, Freedom Mowers, and subscribe if you already haven't. Now this one, oh yeah, this is superb, this one. I think everybody will notice that Bald Eagle 242. Thank you very much, sir. Couple of business cards, 2 or 3 business cards, and your stickers, which is a lovely YouTube setup, that, lovely. Now if you guys haven't been over to see him, he's got a really good channel. And I think it's been taught by his dad, but I believe, because he put birthday wishes on for his dad. And which was a nice thing to do. Very nice thing to do. But Bald Eagle, thank you very much, sir. And he puts a little note on as well. This is good, this. Every click, comment, share and interaction is a chance to bring us together. Your support and engagement are what keeps this community growing, encouraging me to continue on this adventure. Thank you for being part of what makes this community fun and engaging. Bald Eagle, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, my man. Thank you very much for sending me these. Now this one, just received, been waiting a while. This gentleman posted these on the 18th of December and I only got them yesterday. And everybody knows him. He doesn't have a video channel. I believe he does have a video going about of his workshop, but I haven't seen it. But I wish him all the best for, I hope he does do a video at some point. And I know I have a bit fun with him in that, but this sticker is for Big John. Big John, Small Engines. I'd like to see a video of his garage, because I reckon it's massive. But John, thank you very much, I finally got them. And I much appreciate it. For the 2 stickers and the little note. Thanks for allowing me to be part of your YouTube channel, John Clem. John, it's a pleasure having you as a member. Being joined, it's a big pleasure. You know, I know we've had a bit laugh in that with a few funny jokes, pictures and that, but hey oh. Anyway, guys, much appreciated. And we will catch you on your channels. Bye bye for now.